Big news from OpenAI. ChatGPT is now getting an upgraded memory feature, which will make your experience smarter and more personalized than ever. With this update, ChatGPT can now remember facts about you, your preferences, and even your past conversations. Speech balloon. That means no more re-explaining tasks, it can pick up where you left off. Worried about privacy? Don't be. You can turn the memory on or off anytime. So, is this the future of knowledgeable AI assistants? Let us know in the comments. Like, comment, and subscribe for more AI updates.